Have you heard of Overwatch 2 and you're wondering if it's safe for your kids to play? I'm Rachel with smartsocial.com, and we are going to give you a preview of our full resource for VIP members. What do parents need to know about Overwatch 2? What is Overwatch 2? Overwatch is an online team based shooter game that assigns players into two teams of six that travel the world, build a team, and contest objectives in exhilarating 6x6 combat. Players choose their character called heroes from 30 options. Each character has unique weapons and capabilities. The players on a team work together to secure and defend certain places on a map or escort a payload across the map during a limited amount of time. Players earn rewards as they play that do not affect gameplay, like victory poses and character skins. Overwatch 2 is available on Windows, Xbox One, PS4, and Nintendo Switch, and features bright and cartoonish animation style similar to Fortnite. To access the full resource, visit smartsocial.com. Our VIP members can log in to access this app and 400 plus more social media safety resources on demand. If you aren't a VIP member yet, ask your school if they are a Smart Social partner to get you access to these resources for free. Parents and educators can join our VIP program to access all of our resources by going to smartsocial.com/VIP. I'm Rachel with smartsocial.com. We hope to see you in our full resource for VIP members, the Parent's Guide to Overwatch 2.